In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to create a replica of your artwork, a photo work called a digital twin. You will need three things: a PNG or JPEG of your artwork, the height information of your physical artwork, and a link that you can use to point your user back to your commerce page or to more information about the art. There are three steps and it takes only a few minutes. First, you need to create your Hoverlay channel. This is where your content is going to be stored. Then you will create a twin using the information that I told you about, and you're going to get a link that you can then share with others by email or social media. The first thing you need to do to use Hoverlay and create digital twins and share them is to create a channel. To that end, just go to app.hoverlay.com and click on Join Hoverlay. You can then choose a channel name for yourself. I'm going to call mine Nick Art. It could be anything you want. Use your Twitter account or the core element of your domain name, for instance, as this is easy to remember. Then sign up with your email and password, and you're all set. Let's create our first digital twin by going to the Quick Start. Click on Quick Start and select Put Paintings and Photography on any wall. You will then be taken to this form where you can input everything required to create your twin. You can either select first the image from your disk, or you can actually link it from an image that's already on the website. Let's do that here. So what we're going to do is go to our commerce site here and right click on copy image address on the picture we want to use to create our twin. Then come back here and paste it. Then we're going to give it a size. The size can be given in inches, meters, or centimeters. I'm going to use meters here and set a size of 1.3 meters. That's the height. And the width is going to be computed automatically based on the ratio of the picture. And the reason why we need a physical size is that your images are going to be transformed into a twin which is size accurate. Finally here, you can set an optional URL to your commerce site, to your product page, or any link that is helpful for you, for your viewers to be able to connect back to the next steps that you want them to take after the experience. We're going to leave that blank for now. Click on Create Wall Art and voila. Here is the link to your digital twin. Now that you have created your first digital twin, the only thing left to do is to share the link with others so that they can make it appear in their own environment. To do so, you can just basically copy this link, right-click, copy link address, and start sending it by email, placing it on a button on a web page, and that's it. So check out my latest work, and I'm going to send it to myself in that case. You send it, and you're done. Let's now switch to my phone, and by clicking on the link, it will either prompt the user to download the Hoverlay camera if it's not present. Otherwise, it will automatically open up the camera and bring in your digital twin. It is at the size that you've provided when you created the twin, so it is physically accurate, and the user is invited to place it on a wall, and you can then just move around, take different perspective, take photos, and share it with others. Or by clicking refresh, you can just move it to another wall.